Welcome to Paradise Resort Gold Coast and our exclusive family suite. Located on the ground floor on the corner of Captain's Quarters and Cleo's Castle, this room is one of a kind and generally sold out months in advance. As you walk through the door, you are greeted with an ensuite that features a large in-room spa bath, separate shower and double vanity, along with bath and body products, including bath towels, a hairdryer, hand soap, shampoo, and body wash, which will all be replenished as part of our daily housekeeping services. For the adults, there's a main bedroom with a queen-size bed, television, table and chairs, as well as a large outdoor balcony. The kids will also have their own bedroom, which features a single bed plus one set of single bunks, so both parents and kids can enjoy their own space. Both rooms are also fitted with an air conditioning unit to help beat that Gold Coast heat. In the small kitchenette, you'll find a bar fridge, microwave, toaster, and kettle to make your stay more comfortable. And after a long day of exploring, guests can sit back, relax, and enjoy your own private balcony. This room is ideal for families of up to 5 people or 6 with an infant.